I can't wait to show you what we guys have built here. So in front of me is the customer app. We're going to go ahead and post a simple cleaning job. This could be anything you need. I need 2-bedroom, 2-bath, deep clean. It can also include any additional details. This is always grateful to upload pictures. This helps the contractors quickly decide when they send you a bid. This will pick up your current locations. You always can change this address to whatever the service needs to be at. Next would be the dates, as well as the time when I want the service to be done at. We want to give the customer some sort of a control in terms of spending for the task. So they have 3 choices. They can name their price if they have a budget in mind. They can pay hourly, or they can just go with open to any bid. This basically will just send out a job order, and then the contractors will send you a fair bid for your price. There's also some data here that we put together that give you some suggestions and recommendations. Now, everyone's need is different. So in this case, let's go ahead and post a job for the price we want. Cards in file, and this is my job summary. So at this point, I'm ready to submit my job to the market. Now, once the system, what's going to do is going to look behind the scenes, search for every single contractors in the area and send them the job request. As a contractor, they will immediately receive a job notification. This is my contractor app now. I'm able to see the job when it was posted. I can see the details that the clients input as well as pictures that they entered. And here I can either accept or I can send a counter offer. I could be aggressive and just send below what they're willing to pay. When bids start coming in, they're going to be placed on this screen here, where here you'll have a list of multiple bids as they come. In this example, with one tap, I'm able to go over and see particular reviews that were left by a previous customer for this particular contractors. I can hit the chat button, or if I'm satisfied and I'm ready to go, I can just simply hit the hire button. Everything from this point on will be from the contractor side. As soon as I hit I'm on my way, the client will be notified. Start the job, the client also will be notified. And when the job is completed, this is a part where we ask the contractors to input some more details. Were there any additional charge that needs to be placed that you disclose with the customer? Were there any part that you purchased? And most importantly, it has to be a description of every items that you enter. And last but not least, this is when we take a picture of the completed work and they get to upload it to the app. This will give the customer, if they're not on site to oversee the work, to make sure that the work has been completed. Go back to the customer app on the invoice section. This is here the pictures that I posted. This is the picture that the contractors have input. And lastly but not least, all we ask is they rate their experience and give us the okay to release the funds.